Hi everyone, my name is Avinash Bhaskar Mengaude. Currently, I am pursuing bachelor degree in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering from Srimati Kashibai Naule College of Engineering, Pune. So today's date is 19 July 2021 and our today's video topic is string buffer and string builder. So in Java, there are the three ways to create the string. So first is by using the string class. Second is by using the string buffer. And third is by using the string builder class. So let us discuss one by one in detail. So first is by using the string class. So what is meant by the string? So string is an object that allows to store the sequence of the character. So there are the two approaches to create the string object. So first is by using the string literal, and second is by using the new keyword. So first is by using the string literal. So we can create the string object by using the string literal as so take one example as string yes and string yes is equal to welcome. So in this way we can create the string object by using literal. Next is by using new keyword. So we can create the string object by using the new keyword as string yes is equal to new string and in parenthesis welcome. So in this way we can create the string object by using new keyword. So first is create the string object by using string literal. So in that case when the string object is created, JVM will check that this string literal is present in the string constant pool or not. If it is present in the string constant pool, then it returns the address of that string object to the variable. And if there is no same string object is present in the string constant pool, then the JVM will create the new object in the string constant pool. So this happen in the string literal. So next is by using new keyword. So in that case the JVM will create the object by using new keyword, and the string literal is first by using new keyword it will create the object and store in the heap memory, and next is the string literal is stored in the SCP, that is the string constant pool memory. So this is all about the string object in string class. So one more thing, the string objects are the immutable, means once we create the string object then it cannot be changeable. If we are trying to change the string object, then it will create the new string object. So next is the string buffer. So we can create the also string by using the string buffer class. So there is the main difference between the string and the string buffer is that the string objects are the immutable, while in other hand the string buffer objects are mutable, means we can change the string object. So next is the as like string provide the various methods to perform the operation on the string, the same like that string buffer class also provide the some predefined methods to perform the operation on the string. So one more thing, that the methods in the all the methods in the string buffer class are synchronized. So let's discuss some methods of the string buffer class. So first method is the delete. So if you want to delete the any specific character from the string, then this delete method is used. So next is the index of. So in this method if you want to if you want to know the index of the any particular character, then we can use the index method. Then charAct method. In this method, if I want to know the position of the if I want to know the index of the specific character, then the index of method is used. So next is the replace method. So this method is used when we want to replace one character by different character, then replace method is to be used. Next is the next is the append method. So append method is used to concat the toString. So next is the delete charAct method. So delete charAct method is used when if I want to delete a specific data from the string, then delete charAct method is used. So next method is the equals method. So equals method is used to check the equality of the object. So in that case, it will check that the addresses of the string object, and depends on that it check the equality. So next is the insert method. So if I want to insert some data into the string, then insert method is used. So this is all about the string buffer class. So next is the string builder class. So string builder class. So string builder class is also used to create the string. So how to create the string object in string builder class? Then so take one example as string builder s is equal to new string builder, and in that I pass the string. So one more point in the string builder, that all the methods are in the string builder class are non-synchronized, and in string buffer class all the methods are synchronized. So the string builder class also provides some predefined methods to perform the operation on the string. So let us discuss some methods. So first is the length method. So length method is used to calculate the length of the string. Then next is the delete method. Delete method is used to delete the character of the data from the string. Next is the append method. Append method is used to concat the toString. Then next is the equals method. Equals method is used to check the equality of the two objects, and it will check the equality on basis of the addresses. So next is the charAct method. charAct method is used to check the index of the character. Then index of method. So index of method is used to check that the character present at the particular index. Next is the count method. Count method is used to decide that the not count, it's capacity. So capacity method. So capacity method is used to define the capacity of the object. So default capacity is the 16, and it can be changeable. So next method is the replace method. So if I want to replace some data, then the replace method is used to replace the specific character or the data. Then next is the insert method. So insert method is used to if I want to insert some particular data into the string, then insert method is used. So this is all about the string builder class. So all the methods, so difference in the string. So all the methods in the string builder class are not synchronized. Thank you.